Yo, what is going on, you guys? Edward here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm actually showing you a brand new money-making website that is going to pay you out instantly to your crypto wallets. So make sure you watch this video from the beginning till the end so you know exactly what you need to do in order to start making some passive income in today's video. So let's get started right away with today's money-making method. So in order to get started making some passive income with this one website that I'm about to show you in a minute, guys, the first thing you need to do is come over here to Express Crypto. Now, Express Crypto is a micro wallet where you can actually get instant payments sent to you from faucets. Now, I'm about to show you a brand new website that is paying out, and I'm going to show you how you can actually 2x your actual income passively, guys. So make sure you keep watching this video. So the only thing that we're going to need once you sign up from the link down in the description of this video for Express Crypto is this unique ID right here. So all you have to do in order to get this and use it is click right here where it says copy, and now we can move on to the website, guys. So this is the website right here, and this is a brand new way you can start to make some passive income today. Now I'm going to show you how this all works out, so keep watching this video. Now the way to sign up with this, guys, is coming over here and putting in your Express Crypto unique ID. So just copy and paste it right there, guys. Now the next step is click I am not a robot, answer the captcha if the one pops up, and then click on login and earn. Now you'll get sent to a website just like this one, and you can choose all of the cryptocurrencies that you want to start making some passive income with. Now I am sticking with Ethereum, and I'm going to tell you why later on in this video, so keep watching. Now the way to actually make some passive income with this is doing a little bit of upfront work. It does not take long at all to make this run 100% passive every single day. So the way this works is you're going to need some auto claim tokens. Now in order to get some tokens, you have to come over here where it says auto claim tokens, and the way I am making a lot of free auto claims is coming over here where it says short links and where it says new. So once you click on there, guys, you're gonna get led to a site just like this one, and all you have to do is visit these sites and you will earn some auto claim tokens. So this one is going to give me 30 auto claim tokens, the other one is going to give me 50 auto claim tokens, and I can do that 5 times a day. This one is 5 times, this one is once, and you can see 60s here, you can see 80 tokens there, and you can see all of these that are dark colored I have already completed. So all you have to do is just click on one of these so you can start to get these auto claim tokens. So click on visit site, something just like this will pop up, guys. So once I see a page just like this, I like to click on this blank spaces where there is no advertisements, because most of the times there will be pop-ups that pop up once you click anywhere. It's just like that. So I automatically exit out of that, guys. Click on it again, make sure no more ads pop up, and once you have finished doing that, click right here where it says click here to continue. You should see a site just like this one that has a timer on it. Once it reaches 0, again, click somewhere off to the side just to make sure no more pop-ups will pop up. Now click on get link. Now it's going to send you to this page just like this, and we have already accumulated some more auto claim tokens. So now we can just exit out of this, click on another visit site link, and then do the system over and over again, and this refreshes every single day, so you can always milk this system, get tons and tons of claim tokens just clicking on these small URL links right there, guys. Click here where it says to continue. Now it's going to pop up more advertisements. Just keep on doing this, guys, and eventually it will lead you to like a link that has a timer on it. Now you just click somewhere else so the timer can start, and you can see once it's finished this will turn a light greenish, and now we can actually click on this link and it will give us some more tokens, guys. So now since we clicked on the link, you can see now we got some more auto claim tokens. Now I'm going to show you how you can start to make this 100% passive for after the little upfront work. So now we have to just choose the coins that we want to earn some free cryptocurrency with. Now here is where you can 2 times your money. Now if you look right underneath where it says auto claim tokens, you can see where it says pay out to Express Crypto automatically, or you can pay out to their wallet and get 2 times is the money. Now, I would highly recommend you guys either doing the 2 times so you can get double the money for the same amount of time, or if you're scared that this website will scam out pretty soon, then just switch this over and you can start getting paid out to the Express crypto wallets automatically, guys. So this is a really cool system, and you can choose as much coins as you want to start to make some money. You can come over here to this and do every minute, every 5 minutes to start getting some passive income with these tokens. So if I scroll down just a tiny bit, you can see the wallet right here, guys, where all of the coins that I have used, which is only Ethereum at the moment, to earn some free cryptocurrency. Now it says right here, bonus plus 0 satoshis. Now you might be asking, well, why is it still 0, Edward? Well, if we scroll up to the top, you can see that there's this bonus button right here. So if we just click on that bonus button, you can see how much bonus level or times you can get once you reach a certain amount of XP. So all we need is to reach a 2000 XP in order to get 0.001% bonus. Now that might not be a lot, guys, but eventually it starts to add up as time goes on, and as this website starts to get updated, we might get more and more bonuses. And the longer you let this run passively, the more XP you will earn, and then the more XP you earn, the more money you earn times 2, and you can just start to get some free cryptocurrency and use this money to your advantage. And now you can either use this money, withdraw it to your PayPal account and then to your bank account, or you can actually invest in a different platform to try to double or 10x your income in cryptocurrency, 100% free and passive. Now I'm going to show you how this works. So I'm just sticking with Ethereum because I want to earn more Ethereum and get this actual level up to like 2 or 3 so I can start to earn more and more Ethereum. Now if you diversify too many coins, you're going to start to use all of these auto claims and just earn a couple of cents in every single coin. So this is the reason why I'm only sticking with one coin and using it to my advantage to start making some free money with this website. Now let's just click on start auto faucet. Now once you start it, you can see every 60 seconds they're going to be paying out 2 Ethereum. So you can see it says 2 ETH added to your wallet. Now since I changed the timer to every minute, I believe I'll be only getting 1 Ethereum every single minute, and it will just deduct a tiny bit of my tokens, guys. So now as you can see, we only have 4 seconds, 3 seconds until we receive our money times 2 inside of the wallet. So I guess I received 2 Ethereum Satoshis that was added to my wallet because of the times 2 for adding it inside of their wallet instead of just sending it directly to my Express crypto address, guys. So as you can see, I'm already up to $2.36 USD from all of these free money making applications and websites, and I'm going to start to use this money to my advantage. Now this is not financial advice, this is just me showing you what I'm doing with my cryptocurrency and how I am making even more money. So I'm going to be showing you this right here, and I already talked about this a lot of times on this channel, guys, but I believe in it so much that I'm just saving up all of my money that I am getting 100% passive and free from all of these different money making methods and investing it inside of this platform so I can start to earn some crazy dividends just like this, $5 every single day for doing absolutely nothing, then reinvesting this money to get some more gold tokens, because this contract that is run off of the Ethereum blockchain has been audited and verified by hackers, and nobody was able to ever get inside of this contract and find a backdoor to steal the Ethereum. So this is why I believe in this platform so much. Now if we scroll down just a tiny bit, you can see that this platform has been around since 2018, and I believe this website is going to stick around. Not even the website, guys, the contract is going to stick around for years to come. So I'm just going to keep on growing this account with more and more money as I generate it, and I'm going to keep on reinvesting money to grow. The more tokens I have, the more money I make whenever somebody buys in. So the way you make money with this is whenever somebody buys in, they're gonna get 10% taken away from their initial investment, and that 10% is distributed to all of us that are holding these tokens. Now the way to make some insane amount of money with this platform or with this contract is owning more tokens. The more tokens you have, the more money you make from every 10% that people buy in and sell out. Now another way you make money with this is dividends. So you're making money from whenever people buy in and sell out, so that gets added to your dividends, which is right here. Now the another way you earn is whenever Ethereum goes up, and you can earn more money with Ethereum goes up. Now since Ethereum goes up, you'll earn more money because of the dividends going up. So there's 4 different ways that you can earn some free, insane, passive cryptocurrency with this program. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.